I'm Amanda. Welcome back to 5 Minute Cantonese. 大家好，我係 Amanda，歡迎收睇5分鐘廣東話。Today, let's take a look at some cooking method from beginner to advanced. Let's get started. First of all, if you are absolute beginner, there are only 2 words that you need to know for cooking. The first one, to cook, 煮 Second one, to make, 整 So for example, if you want to say I like cooking, how to say in Cantonese?我 To like, 鍾意 To cook, pay attention, we need to say cook something to eat. 煮嘢食我鍾意煮嘢食 Or you can use the word to make. 我鍾意 Same here, make something to eat. 整嘢食我鍾意整嘢食 Basically, not much difference between 我鍾意煮嘢食 or 我鍾意整嘢食 Both of them means I like cooking. However, there is some difference between 煮 and 整. Sometimes you can use both of them. For example, you're going to cook pasta tonight. So you can say it like this. 我 and then the time. Tonight. 今晚 or you can change the tone. 今晚 Okay, here. Both of them are the same. 我今晚 Okay? To cook pasta, you can say 煮 Pasta in Cantonese is Italian noodle. 意大利粉我今晚煮意大利粉 Or you can say 我今晚 Okay? Let's change it. 整 Okay? 意大利粉 For 意大利粉 you can also shorten it to 意粉 It's the same. 我今晚整意粉 So, all of these combinations are the same. They mean I cook pasta tonight. However, this time you are going to make the pasta yourself. Okay? Like handmade. So this time you can only use the word 整 So for example, if you're going to bake a cake, alright, so which word will you use? 煮 or 整? Perfect. We'll use the word 整 like to make a cake. How to say? Yes. 整蛋糕 How about this? You're simply going to cook some vegetable, either steamed, stir-fried. Which word will you use? 煮 or 整? Yes, in this case, you will use the word 煮 So, to cook the vegetable, 煮菜 Very good. Another interesting expression for cooking in your daily life, like cooking a meal, we'll use this term 煮饭 literally to cook the rice. Okay, this is a term. We cannot say 整饭, alright? We only say 煮饭. Let's say tonight you're going to eat salad and pasta. Can we use the term 煮饭? Yes, because 煮饭 is a term for cooking a meal. So even tonight you're going to make salad and to cook pasta, you can say 煮饭. So for example, I need to go home to cook the meal. We'll say it like this. 我 Okay? To need or have to. 要 我要 Go back home. 返屋企，返屋企 to cook a meal. 煮飯，我要返屋企煮飯，我要返屋企煮飯。Now, let's move from absolute beginner to intermediate, which means you need to learn more verbs related to cooking method. So, for example, stir-fried. 炒 for example, stir-fried vegetable. 炒菜 How about fried rice? Yes. 炒飯 How about pan-fried? 煎 For example, beef steak. You pan-fry the beef steak. 煎牛扒 How about this? Fried egg. In this case, we also use the word pan-fried. 煎蛋 How about this? Deep fried. 炸 For example, deep fried pork chop. Yummy. 炸豬扒 What's that? Yes, deep fried tofu. 炸豆腐 Healthy. To steam. 蒸 For example, steamed fish. 蒸魚 However, how about steamed rice? Well, normally we won't say 蒸飯. 蒸飯 is a particular way for cooking, really like steam the rice. However, for the regular cooking with the rice cooker, we will say 白飯, which means steamed rice. Last but not least, to boil the liquid. To boil. 煲 For example, to boil the water. 煲水 How about to boil the soup? Yes. 煲湯 Very good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. If you want to learn Cantonese with me, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more worksheet and supplementary or tip exercise, please support my Patreon page. See you next time. Bye bye. 下次見。